Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Nayab Garments. Today is a day of pride, joy, and freedom. Yes, it's 14th August, Pakistan's Independence Day. And to celebrate this special occasion, we present our cutest, most beautiful Independence Day baby dress collection. Each dress is a tribute to the love we hold for Pakistan, with shining stars, crescent moons, and flag-inspired styles. Soft, comfortable, and oh so stylish, these designs are stitched with love so your little one shines bright this 14th August. Zoom in on GlitterNet fabric, soft cotton, fancy embroidery. From GlitterNets to soft cotton, each fabric is carefully selected for comfort and style. The tiny details, like lace borders, flag badges, and shimmering stars, make every frock stand out. Whether it's a birthday, a school function, or an Independence Day photo shoot, these dresses are picture perfect. Watch how confidently these little queens twirl and smile in their Nayab Garments dresses. Every design brings out the beauty of childhood, wrapped in patriotism and fashion. Because we believe even our youngest deserve to celebrate freedom, in style. Show your shop name, number, social media, YouTube channel overlay. Want one for your little star? Order now before this limited collection runs out. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook at Nayab Garments for more latest baby dress designs. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends. This 14th August, dress your baby not just in fashion, but in pride, tradition, and love for Pakistan. Happy Independence Day from Nayab Garments, where every stitch tells a story of joy.